This is the hilarious moment a playful parrot teases the neighbor's hungry-looking cat with a game of peekaboo through the window. The game between friendly neighbors took place in New Zealand between Oscar the 2-year-old Indian ringneck parrot and the cat who lives across the street. Oscar repeatedly tantalized the cat by appearing to disappear while he hid under the window frame and then re-emerging with a squawked peekaboo. While the cat is certainly mesmerized by the game, he doesn't seem very amused. The cat's focused face and low position indicate that it may have been ready to pounce on the parrot had the window pane not been there. Oscar the clever parrot seems to thoroughly enjoy the game whether he is aware of the potential danger or not. The parrot seems to not only mimic human speech but also understand its meaning as it shouts peekaboo at the opportune moment, revealing itself to the frustrated feline.